Hi there. Sick of cluttered browser tabs leaking your metadata and lagging your system? Today, we are deploying a lightning-fast Mozilla Thunderbird workspace to centralize your accounts for zero cost. Let's clean up your inbox right now. Grab the optimized setup archive from the link below to get started. The moment you execute it, the script initiates a fast data pull, landing the core communication files right onto your drive. Perfect, the baseline application files are down. Now, let the wizard finish mapping your secure PGP encryption keys and custom folder paths, wrapping up the layout in a flash. Let's fire up the control panel to view the clean dashboard. Link a test mailbox right away to ensure that your IMAP protocols and sidebar folders respond with zero lag. Your local email fortress is completely calibrated, verified, and running at maximum speed. Head over to our webpage right now to secure your files and start managing your messages like a boss.